Okay, here's the initial page, Bullying Prevention Initiative, where students are able to read a little bit on the act and the rules that are in place, or the laws, sorry. And then here's where they go and they're able to sign this complaint form or fill out this complaint form. We're all digital. So students can report anonymously. They provide an email address if they want. Okay, and then the date it happened, first and last name of student being bullied, harassed, and then they can go into further detail. They identify themselves and they check all that has occurred. Was it verbal, physical, extortion, hazing, indirect bullying, and so on. And then there's bullying prevention resources. So here is the actual California Department of Education laws on bullying prevention training and resources. So there's training for teachers and for parents. And then here's the California anti-bullying laws and policies. And another resource right here is suicide prevention for students. Of course, it's sad to know that this has come with the effect of bullying. A lot of kids do commit suicide because of it. And so here's some resources to help these children in need. Okay, and there's also resources for your parents, making your child's school safe and supportive, and the National Schools Climate Center. So this has a lot of resources for children and parents as well. Okay, and that's it. Thank you guys.